Get it. Open it. Oh. Rip it now. Rip it right here.
Could it be a pillow or a blanket tonight? Mommy, should it be a pillow or a blanket?
Whatever you want.
Oh. Let go of that one. Now get this one. Rip it.
It's black.
Like it? Ready? Oh my goodness, a puppy. I like puppies. You got big puppies. Yeah, you like puppies. I'll give them kisses. Mwah. Mwah. You like puppies? Yeah?
Vivian! Vivian! Vivian!
She's staring at Noah.
Oh, you want to see Noah's blanket. Vivian! Vivian! Hi. Hi. Hi.
I like this thing.
Yeah.
Hi.
That was a good one.
Do you like your puppy?
First present.
She's trying to eat it.
Kiss it.
Good presents for your first Christmas, huh? Open your present. Open it.
Wait, hold on. Mommy's
Look how
recording.
pretty.
Nick, get the present.
She's like, but I want Ironhide.
Get it. Open it.
She's eating it. No, stop.
Look in there.
No, stop.
Yeah.
It's right now.
Oh,
Stop.
socks. Lots of socks.
No. You need to not do that for me.
It's his gun.
I know you.
Merry
Like 'em?
Christmas.
Is it pretty?
These are all mine. These are all mine.
Wait for me.
I'm gonna wear all of them.
Yay for Bib's first Christmas, huh?
Eat them. Eat them, Viv.
Delicious. Yeah, eat socks.
They look yummy. Are you falling over? Mom? Here. Oh,
I'm trying to eat the bag.
You got one.
Camera the socks?
I got your little skull ones. The cute little girl skull ones. What's going on, Viv? Say hello, Daddy. Oh dear.
Here. So did you guys get to see John's rope so far yesterday?
Oh.
I didn't open it.
Oh dear. Oh
You
dear.
didn't?
What's happening?
Why not?
Hi.
For Christmas.
Hi. Where'd you go? Where did you
Oh,
go?
do you know what happened? You ordered it in mail, right?
Yeah.
It came. Cameron saw the box. So Cameron read what the name of the company on the box was and looked it up online and knew what was in it.
Yeah. Are you gonna smile for the camera?
Oh, knew,
Yeah.
you know,
Do you love your
it was a
socks?
remote control part.
Yeah.
Do you love them?
Yeah, just fine.
Hi.
Oh, cool. They fit. So pretty.
Hi.
Here,
I'm so happy.
Maddie, you can worry about that after you put this on.
Merry Christmas, Vivian.
Is it your first Christmas? Hi. Hi. Say, I miss you, Dad.
Give him a kissing.
Bye-bye.
After you open
Bye-bye.